at your home or wherever you are. We also try to be safe by isolating ourselves at home, and we don't go out unless it's really necessary. But anyways, today I'm going to be showing you a fun kind of facial shield that you might be interested to use when you go outside. I mean, I don't care what it looks like as long as it helps me, protect me somehow. So what you will be needing is a cap, scissor, staple gun, and also a plastic. I tried to buy plastic, like the art and craft stores. Unfortunately, they don't have it available anymore. Seems that people have been buying them to make their own. Right now, I'm going to be using the one that you could find at the office, which is the laminating pouch. This is a thermal laminating pouch. So, if the office have that one, for sure they have the laminator. So, this is the regular laminating pouch, and this is the finished product that I already processed. So the fun shield that I'm going to show you is this one. How do you make this one? People, when they talk, sometimes, if you notice, there's like spitting. Our eyes and our mouth and our nose are the parts that we need to protect. This one will help us a little bit. So if you have this kind of stuff that you like most, or you're kind of this one, then you can use this one. So let's do it. You'll need this stick as well. So like this. Just make sure you're even on each side. So that's already even. So we'll just put the tape so it will move. It won't shift. Okay? That way you'll be able to put the staple. Put it on the side. So we're done on the other side, then let's do the other side. And tape so it will move. And then see. There we go. Like this. Take the tape off. There we go. And take the tape off. And then we'll trim, or we'll push the staple so it won't catch our hair or face. Just push it with anything you can use to push it. Push the other side, the end of the staple. Then you can use scotch tape to cover it. So just a little bit of tape and put it on the staple. That way it's smooth. And the last one will be trimming the side. That way it won't cut our shoulder or our side. So now I have a shield. So now we have a simple shield. I hope you will keep yourself safe by keeping yourself distance to people, and try to use this one.